elements are boron, gallium, indium, thallium. A group elements. Next one is fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Fifth A group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Sixth A group elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Seventh A group elements are chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Bromine, iodine, astatine. So zero group elements are, eighth group elements are helium, okay, neon, neon, helium, eighth group. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are eighth group elements or zero group elements. So first A group elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second A group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third A group elements are boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, blah, blah. So fifth A group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Sixth A group elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Seventh A group elements are chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So eighth group elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Next continue. For example, XeF2 is given. XeF2. Xenon difluoride. Xenon difluoride. Xenon hybridization. Xenon difluoride. Xenon hybrid. అమ్మా వినబడుతుందా చిన్న?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
so xenon is the eighth group. So we taken 8 bonds. So 1, 2.
Sir, someone mute your voice, sir.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ మ్యూట్లో ఉంది.
So XeF2, so xenon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total count 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. So total 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. sp3d hybridization. Next one. For example, CO2 molecule is given. CO2. So carbon element. So carbon is fourth group element. So carbon is fourth group element. Oxygen is always double bond character. Double bond O. Double bond O. Oxygen is double bond character. So if two bonds is present, one is called sigma, one is called pi, one is called sigma, one is called pi bond. Only sigma bonds are involved in hybridization. Only sigma bonds are involved in hybridization. So in this molecule, CO2 molecule, total number of sigma bonds 1, 2. 2 means hybridization sp. So in CO2, carbon hybridization is sp. Next one. For example, SO3 molecule is given. SO3. So sulfur, which group element? 60A group element. Sulfur is 60A group element. So S double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Sixth group elements we taken 6 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Satisfied. So two bonds are present means one is sigma, one is pi. One is sigma, one is pi. One is sigma, one is pi. So three sigma bonds, three pi bonds. Only sigma bonds we count them. So 1, 2, 3. 3 means hybridization. sp2.
SP2.
So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Next one. So for example, SO2 molecule is given. SO2. So sulfur is a sixth group element.
Sir, please don't that, sir.
Which side? Chinna.
Sir,
Kanapunna?
sir. Left side, అక్కడ అయ్యండి sir.
Okay. So SO2 molecule. So double bond O. Double bond O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one lone pair. So one sigma, one pi. One sigma, one pi. So sigma bonds count and lone pairs also count. So 1, 2, 3. 3 means hybridization. sp2. 2 plus 1, 3. sp2 hybridization. SO3 sulfur hybridization.
Formulas we can't to see, sir.
Which one?
Formulas we can't to see, sir.
Name of the compound, sir.
Sulfur dioxide SO2 molecule. Sulfur dioxide. This is SO3. Sulfur trioxide molecule. 1 minute, Amma.
Board is total blur, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
Sir?
sir.
Okay, Nama.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still blur, sir.
One second. So SO3 molecule. SO3 means sulfur is sixth group element. So sixth group elements means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bonds. So if 2 bonds is present, one is called sigma, one is called pi. So we taken only sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 means hybridization sp2. Next SO2 molecule. SO2 molecule. Sulfur is sixth group element. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So sigma bonds 1, 2, 1 lone pair. So 1, 2, 3. 3 means hybridization. sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Next one. For example, XeO3 molecule is given. XeO3, xenon trioxide. XeO3, xenon trioxide. Okay. So xenon which group? Amma, xenon a group lo undamma?
Eighth group.
Eighth group. So eighth group means double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 electrons. So total count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means hybridization. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. In XeO3, xenon hybridization is sp3. Next, second one is XeO4, xenon tetroxide. Xenon tetroxide. So xenon double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. So total count amma. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means hybridization. sp3 hybridization. So XeO3 also sp3 hybridization. XeO4 also sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. అమ్మా కనబడుతుందా చిన్న
Yes,
ఓకేనా
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
completed these two completed
Yes, sir.
Sir.
next example. For example, POCl3 molecule is given. So phosphorus.
Sir, board is somewhat black. Check na.
Phosphorus oxytrichloride. Phosphorus oxytrichloride. POCl3. Okay, so this is phosphorus. So phosphorus which group, Amma? Phosphorus which group?
Fourth group, sir.
Phosphorus, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony.
Fifth group.
Fifth group. Second, third, fourth, fifth group. So fifth group means maximum bonds are 5. Okay. So Cl, 1, 2, 3. Oxygen is double bond character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total sigma bonds count amma. Total how many sigma bonds?
4.
4. 4 means hybridization.
sp3.
sp3. sp3 hybridization. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If 2 bonds is present, one is called sigma bond, one is called pi bond. In hybridization easy method, we find out only sigma bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means hybridization is sp3. Next one, for example, XeO F2 is given. XeO F2. Xenon is central atom. So xenon which group? Xenon which group, Amma?
Eighth group.
Eighth group. So eighth group means we taken 8 bonds, Amma. So double bond O, fluorine, fluorine. Double bond O, fluorine, fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 lone pairs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 sigma bonds, 2 lone pairs. Total 5. 5 means hybridization.
sp3d.
sp3d. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. sp3d hybridization. Next one. So XeO F2. XeO2F2 next molecule. So xenon hybridization. So fluorine, double bond O, double bond O. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many lone pairs? 1 lone pair. So how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means hybridization.
sp3d.
sp3d. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. sp3d hybridization. So POCl3, XeOF2, XeO2F2. Right, Amma? Completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay. Amma, group elements completed? Group elements.
Yes.
So second A group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third A group elements are boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Fifth A group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth or stibia. So sixth A group elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Seventh A group elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So eighth group elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So hybridization, another method formula, hybridization is equal half into group number plus monovalent atoms.
Sir,
Monovalent
both is
atoms.
plus.
అమ్మ మీ దగ్గర సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటేనే అలా వస్తుంది నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు. అందరికి అలానే ఉందా?
No, sir.
No.
So hybridization is equal to half into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. Another method. So hybridization, find out. So hybridization is equal to half into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. So for example, first example, CH4 molecule already completed. So CH4 means general method. So carbon fourth group. So we taken 4 bonds. So 4 bonds means hybridization 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization already completed. So according to formula, so hybridization is equal half into, so group number. So carbon which group? Carbon which group? Carbon group number 4. So number of monovalent atoms means bonded atoms. Bonded atoms also 4 hydrogen atoms. 4 minus cation charge. Cation charge. Okay, so cation charge is 0. Anion charge is also 0. Okay. So half into 4 plus 4 minus 0 plus 0. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means hybridization. sp3. 3 plus 1, 4. sp3 hybridization. Next one, for example, NH4 plus ammonium ion is given. Ammonium ion. So positive ions or negative ions is given. Then we find out hybridization. So hybridization is equal, so half into, amma nitrogen which group amma? Nitrogen. Chinna nitrogen.
Fifth group.
Fifth
Group, sir.
Okay. So 5 plus monovalent atoms means bonded atoms. How many atoms? 4. So 5 plus 4 minus cation charge. cathode means minus, cation means plus we take it. Cathode means minus, cation means plus. Anion charge, anode means plus, anion means we taken negative. So we taken 1 plus 0. So cation charge plus anion charge. Hybridization is equal to half into group number. Nitrogen group number is 5. Monovalent atoms means nitrogen attached atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms. So 5 plus 4 minus cation charge. So charge value is 1. 1 plus 0. Anion charge is 0. So hybridization is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 by 2 means 4. So 4 means hybridization. sp3, 3 plus 1, 4. sp3 hybridization. Next one, for example, SO4 minus 2 is given. Sulfate ion. In sulfate ion, sulfur hybridization. In sulfate ion, sulfur hybridization. Okay. Okay, next one. So sulfate ion. So hybridization is equal half into. So sulfur which group, Amma?
Sixth group, sir.
Sixth group. So 6 plus monovalent atoms. Monovalent atoms. Oxygen is always divalent atom. Oxygen is divalent atom. Okay, na? So not monovalent atom. So oxygen ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చినా 0 రాసుకుంటాము. 6 plus 0 minus cation charge is 0 plus anion charge. Anode means plus, anion means minus. So charge value is 2. This value we take it. Okay. So group number 6, monovalent atoms are 0. Oxygen is divalent atom. Oxygen ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చినా 0 రాసుకుంటాం. So 6 plus 0 minus 0 plus 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Next one. CO3 minus 2. Carbonate ion. In carbonate ion, carbon hybridization. In carbonate ion, carbon hybridization. So hybridization is equal half into carbon which group, Amma? Fourth group. Okay, so 4 plus చెప్పండి అమ్మా 4 plus 0 number plus monovalent atom. Oxygen divalent 0 minus 0 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2 means 3. 3 means hybridization. 3 means
sp2.
P2, right? 2 plus 1, 3. Next one, NO2 plus. Amma chala sarla exam lo repeat ayindamma. NO2 plus. So hybridization is equal. So half into. So nitrogen, 5th group. Monovalent atoms are 0, minus 1, plus 0. Okay. So 5 minus 1 number. 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 means 2. 2 means hybridization. 2 means
sp.
sp. Hybridization is sp. Right, Amma? Completed?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in methane molecule, carbon hybridization is sp3, ammonium ion, nitrogen hybridization is sp3, sulfate ion, sulfur hybridization is sp3, carbonate ion, carbon hybridization is sp2, NO2 plus, NO2 plus nitrogen ion is sp, nitrogen atom hybridization is sp. So hybridization formula of into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. If charged particles is given, then hybridization formula half into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. Hybridization formula. Okay. Next one. Phosphate ion PO4 minus 3 phosphorus hybridization. So hybridization is equal half into phosphorus element. So fifth group. So 5 plus 4 monovalent atoms. Oxygen is divalent atom. So 0 minus 0 plus 3. Charge value is 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 by 2 means equal to 4. 4 means hybridization. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. In phosphate ion, phosphorus atom hybridization is sp3. Okay, next one. So for example, ClO4 minus is given. ClO4 minus. So hybridization is equal half into chlorine. Chlorine which group? Chlorine element is which group? Amma, chlorine. Chlorine.
Seventh group.
Right, very good.
Seventh group.
Seventh group. So 7 plus. So monovalent atoms are 0 minus 0 plus 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means hybridization is sp3 hybridization. In ClO4 minus chlorine atom hybridization is sp3. Okay. Next one. NO3 minus is completed. NO2 plus is also completed. So these are major ions: phosphate ion, chlorate ion, nitrate ion, sulfate ion, carbonate ion. Carbonate ion. So next, for example, HCeO4 is given. So according to formula, so hybridization is equal half into xenon. Xenon is 8th group. So monovalent atoms, oxygen is divalent atom. So 0. So 8 plus 0. So minus 0 plus 0. So charge is 0. So equal to 8 by 2. So 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means hybridization is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. For example, XeO2F2 is given. XeO2F2. So xenon hybridization. So hybridization is equal. So half into xenon which group? Xenon. So xenon is 8th group. Monovalent atoms. Oxygen is divalent atom. So fluorine is monovalent atom. So 2. 8 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0. So 10 by 2. 10 by 2 equal to 5. 5 means
SP3
sp3
2 D.
sp3 d. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. XeO2F2 xenon hybridization is sp3d. sp3d. Total 5. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. sp3d hybridization. Okay, so hybridization formula of into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. Oxygen is divalent. So if oxygen is given, we taken 0. In place of oxygen, we taken 0. Oxygen is divalent atom, double bond character. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Hybridization formula is half into group number plus monovalent atoms minus cation charge plus anion charge. Cation charge, cathode means minus, cation means we taken positive charge. Anode means plus, anion means we taken negative charge. Negative charge. Okay, next. Okay, next one is regular geometry. Regular geometry. Okay. So, for example, BeCl2. BeCl2 means beryllium chloride. So, beryllium is the second group element. So, we take two bonds. 1, 2. 1, 2 means hybridization is sp. So, geometry. Geometry is very, very important. Linear or shape of the molecule or structure of the molecule. BeCl2 structure is linear. BeCl2 structure is linear. sp hybridization, it is always called linear. So bond angle is 180 degrees. Next one, BeCl3 boron trichloride. BeCl3. So BeCl3 means boron is third group. 1, 2, 3. So third group 1, 2, 3. 3 means hybridization is sp2, 2 plus 1, 3. So structure name is trigonal
Planar.
trigonal planar. Bond angle is 120 degrees. Bond angle is 120 degrees. sp2 means we taken trigonal planar. sp means we taken linear. Next one. CH4. CH4. So CH4 means carbon. So carbon is fourth group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Structure name is tetrahedral. sp3 means we take in tetrahedral. So bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Next one, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So phosphorus is fifth group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth group means we taken 5 bonds. So 5 bonds means sp3d hybridization. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. sp3d hybridization. Structure name is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. So tri means 3, bi means 2. Total 5. Trigonal bipyramidal. So bond angle is 120 degrees and 90 degrees. Next one, SF6. SF6, sulfur is sixth group element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bonds. Hybridization is sp3d2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. sp3d2 hybridization. Structure name is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 means it is called octahedral. Structure name is octahedral. So bond angle is 90 degrees. Bond angle is 90 degrees. Next one, IF7. Last one, IF7. Okay.
Please write up.
Can't see there, sir.
Okay. So first completed. SP means always we take a linear. SP2 means trigonal planar. SP3 means tetrahedral. SP3D means trigonal bipyramidal. SP3D2 means octahedral. SP3D2 means octahedral. These all are called regular geometry. Regular geometry means on central atom 0 lone pairs. BeCl2 lone pairs 0 central atom. BCl3 boron central atom 0 lone pairs. CH4 carbon central atom 0 lone pairs. Carbon fourth group, so total 4 bonds, so 0 lone pairs. Okay, on central atom 0 lone pairs. These are called regular geometry. These are called regular geometry. తర్వాత వస్తుందమ్మా dipole moment is always equal to 0. So if regular geometry, mu means dipole moment. So dipole moment is always equal to 0. So on central atom lone pairs are present. It is called irregular geometry. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. So last example, regular geometry, last example, IF7. So iodine is 7th group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means hybridization sp3d3. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. sp3d3 hybridization. Structure name is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Penta means 5, bi means 2. So penta means 5, bi means 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. So pentagonal bipyramidal. So bond angle is 90 degrees, 72 degrees. Okay. So sp linear, sp2 trigonal planar, sp3 tetrahedral, sp3d trigonal bipyramidal, sp3d2 octahedral, sp3d3 pentagonal bipyramidal. Penta means 5, bi means 2, total 7. So IF7, 7 bonds. So 7 bonds means pentagonal bipyramidal. SP bond angle is always 180 degrees, SP2 120 degrees, SP3 109 degrees, 28 minutes, SP3D 120 and 90 degrees, SP3D2 90 degrees, SP3D3 90 degrees, comma 72 degrees. All are regular geometry. On central atom, zero lone pairs. On central atom, zero lone pairs. These are called regular geometry. Dipole moment is always equal to 0. Chinna completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So regular geometry means on central atom zero lone pairs. Central atom zero lone pairs. These are called regular geometry. These all are called regular structures. Linear always regular. Trigonal planar regular geometry. Tetrahedral regular geometry. Trigonal bipyramidal regular geometry. Octahedral regular geometry. Pentagonal bipyramidal is regular geometry. So next heading is irregular geometry. So irregular geometry. Irregular geometry. So dipole moment is not equal to 0. So for example, first one NH3. So nitrogen, fifth group element. So bondage, bondage, bondage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one lone pair. So NH3, nitrogen is fifth group element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one lone pair, 3 bond pairs. This is also called AB3EM. This is also called AB3E. So 3 bond pairs. E means electron pair or lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 3 bond pairs, 1 electron pair. Okay, total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means hybridization is sp3. 4 means hybridization is sp3. sp3 means regular geometry. It is a tetrahedral, but it is irregular geometry. Any molecule, one lone pair, three bond pairs are present. It is called pyramidal. So pyramidal. Pyramidal means one lone pair, three bond pairs are present. Pyramidal means one lone pair, three bond pairs are present. It is called pyramidal.
10748.
So sp3 means general sp3 bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. General. Regular geometry bond angle. But it is irregular geometry. So lone pair bond pair repulsions is more than compared to bond pair repulsions. So automatically bond angle is decreases. On central atom lone pairs are present, bond angle is decreases. So decreases means less than 109 degrees 28 minutes. So answer is 107 ఉంటుంది. Okay. So NH3, any molecule or lone pair
10748.
pairs are present, it is 107 degrees. 107 degrees. Okay, so for example, XeO3 molecule geometry and XeO3 molecule geometry. So xenon 8th group, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more pair. So sigma bonds count them, only sigma bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 3 sigma bonds, one lone pair. Same concept. AB3E. So this is also pyramidal. XeO3 is also pyramidal geometry. So pyramidal means one lone pair, three bond pairs. One lone pair, three bond pairs. It is called pyramidal. Very, very important. So next one. Another example, water molecule H2O. So NH3, nitrogen is central atom. In water, oxygen molecule is central atom. So oxygen is 6th group element. So we taken 6 bonds. So in water molecule, 2 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. So formula is AB2E2. AB2E2. A means central atom. A means central atom. So B means bond pairs. E means electron pair. E means electron pair. Okay. So total count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means hybridization is sp3. So 3 plus 1, 4. sp3 hybridization. Structure name is V-shape or bent molecule or angular. V-shape, bent molecule or angular. Any molecule, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs is present. It is called V-shape or bent molecule or angular. So central atom sp3. sp3 means generally bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. But on central atom, number of lone pairs is increases, bond angle is decreases. Only one lone pair, 3 bond pairs is present, bond angle is 107. So number of lone pairs increases. So 104 decreases. 104 degrees. Next one. So NH3, H2O. NH3 means AB3E. AB3E means 3 bond pairs. 3 bond pairs, 1 electron pair, 1 lone pair. So sp3 hybridization pyramidal. Pyramidal and కనబడితే మనకి 1 lone pair, 3 bond pairs idea రావాలి. 1 lone pair, 3 bond pairs. So V-shape or bent molecule or angular means 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. Next one, ClF3 molecule. ClF3 molecule. So chlorine. Chlorine means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is chlorine molecule. So formula is AB3E2. So 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs, 2 electron pairs. So A3, A means separator. So 1, 2, 3, 3 bond pairs, so 2 electron pairs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means hybridization. sp3 dehybridation. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. sp3 dehybridization. Okay. So any molecule, 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs is present. It is called T-shape and down. T-shape. T-shape. T-shape means how many lone pairs, how many bond pairs. Very, very important. So 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs are present. It is called T-shape. sp3 dehybridation. Bond angle is 120 degrees and 90 degrees. So on lone pairs are present on central atom. So bond angle is less than 120 degrees and 90 degrees. Bond angle on the important column. So T-shape means 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs. 2 lone pairs, 3 bond pairs. It is called T-shape. Very, very important. Okay. Follow అవుతున్నారా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So regular geometry completed, irregular geometry 3 examples completed. Pyramidal, bent molecule, T-shape. T-shape means how many lone pairs, how many bond pairs? T-shape అంటే lone pairs ఎన్ని ఉండాలి, bond pairs ఎన్ని ఉండాలి?
3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs.
Lone pairs. 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Okay అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so thanks.
Thank you, sir.
ఓకే అమ్మా.
Thank you, sir.